Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the capacity and capability building necessary so that we can manage transformation and the change. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. We are talking about how to help people through the change, about changing the environment to instill the behaviors, to capacity and capability build through skilling. I'll leave this diagram up in the background, and this shows all of the aspects of people management that need to occur to capacity and capability build, to form the emergent behavior, to empower individuals, and to capacity and capability build so that transformation can occur. The diagram shows all of the aspects of people management that need to occur within an organization of any size. By addressing how we manage people, we can then get the people to do the required transformations that is necessary. In some of the previous sessions, we've talked about the role of the individual and the empowered teams. This is the precursor step whereby if we do not change the way that people are managed, then how do we change the environment to then change the behaviors? I'll let that question hang, and in the room we're going to talk through each of the elements further. For those following on the videos, please feel free to enjoy some of the other videos and some of the ones where we talk about the role of the individual, and you'll see how this picture emerges. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.